Let's make some sweet, fluffy dinner rolls. In your bowl, you're going to add 4 ounces of milk and 4 ounces of water, or you can use all water or all milk. If you use all milk, make sure you warm it up. Otherwise, your yeast will not activate. Next, go ahead and add in 1/4 of a cup of sugar and then 2 teaspoons of yeast and mix that together. Let that sit for about 5 minutes or until it becomes foamy. Next, add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and add that to your KitchenAid mixer and start mixing on low, and then turn up the speed to number 4, I believe is what I did. And you're going to mix this for about 5 to 8 minutes. If you need to add more flour, go ahead and add more flour. If it's too wet, I did add about another 1/4 of a cup of flour to mine. Next, go ahead and remove your dough from your bowl, and then I just kneaded it a couple more times with some flour on my countertop. Then go ahead and spray your bowl with some oil, add your dough back in, cover, and then let it rest for about 1 hour until it doubles in size. After that, go ahead and spray your pan with some oil, and then you're going to punch down your dough and then get it out on your countertop. At this point, you can decide how big you want your dinner rolls. I did 12, but you can do 15 for smaller rolls. How you're going to shape them is go ahead and pull all your ends together and then roll it on your countertop, or you can roll it in your hands. And then after that, go ahead and place it in your dish. And then you are going to repeat this on all of them until you have them done. Again, go ahead and pull those ends together and then roll your dough on your countertop and then place it in your dish. Then you're going to do your second rice, so go ahead and cover, and then you're going to let it rest for about 45 minutes to an hour. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and then do an egg wash on top of your rolls. Place them in the oven and cook them for 15 to 18 minutes. I will put the full recipe in the description below, and then follow me for more recipes.